Hey there for Dragonfly and Me friends. I am super excited. This is what I'm doing today is the first time ever, so I'm excited to share this information with you. I've been doing a lot of research on it, and I have several friends that save their pepper plants. So I just finished doing a Instagram live, so you can kind of see some more information there. But what I'm doing today is I am taking advantage of this beautiful weather here in Michigan, and I'm going to be harvesting all of my pepper plants and attempting to overwinter them. So like I said, I've been doing a lot of research and figuring out how to do this right. So I'm gonna share that information with you guys. So as you can see right here, Dave's filming, so he's gonna pan over the plants. And as you can see, I have about probably 15 jalapeno plants here. These are Craig's Giant. And so this is the first year I've ever grown this variety, and I love it. They're an heirloom, got the seeds from Baker Creek, woohoo, love them. And the plants were just wonderful. So I am going to try and overwinter these so I don't have to start all of my pepper plants from seeds again. I'm also gonna do a few of my Jimmy Nardello. So I'm gonna have Dave come on in and over in this way, so sun's kind of not so bad. And I'm going to first yank the plant out. And so I have a nice root base, and I want to keep that. I'm going to shake out all the dirt back into the bed. And so as you can see, this is a nice, big, beautiful plant. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off all the green, all the leaves and the branches, and I'm going to keep about 6 inches. As you can see, there's more nodules right down here, here, which is good. So what I want to do is I'm going to cut off these 3 top branches. So let's do that. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to put those down there. We're going to compost those, put those in another bed. And then I'm also going to cut off all these leaves. So right like that, like that, like that. I don't want any green. And so from there, as you can see, I have several what is called nodes where new branches will come out. So there. And this is a little bit more. This is probably about 12 inches. I'm just going to do some a little bit bigger, some a little bit smaller. But the key thing is making sure that all the dirt is out, and also making sure there are no insects, which is why we're cutting off all the leaves. And we don't want any more energy going into the leaves. So I'm going to shake off the dirt a little bit more. And then I have a box, and this is just happens to be a produce box that I have, and it has a lot of ventilation around it, which is good. So I'm gonna put my scissors down. And then I have newspaper. And so this is newsprint. You can use regular newspaper. I would not use the color glossy paper, but if there's any moisture left in this, it's going to be absorbed in by the paper. So I'm gonna wrap this up, making sure the roots are all snug in there. Wrap it up like that. And then I am simply going to put it in this box, and I'm going to stack a few more around it. And then once I get all of these done, I probably need another box. I'm going to store these in my garage in a corner where I know they're not going to freeze. So I'm going to keep moving along with this, but I wanted to show you how easy this is and how you can save your own pepper plants. So like I always say, friends, be sure to eat fresh, shop local, and have a happy day. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button, and keep posted for more. I'll be doing another video in the spring to show you how to bring all your overwintered peppers plants out and get them growing way earlier than everybody else. Have a great day, friends.